Hello Collective, welcome to Honest Tarot. Tingnan natin kung anong message sa Collective. Para po sa hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, no? Okay. At saka po, bahala na kayo. Okay, so, Page of Water, Six of Water. Utang na, puro water. Seven of Water. Six to the Seven of Water. Sa 3 cards na to, Collective, I think you are maybe feeling emotionally or someone or people around you. Merong may emotion dito, talking about the past, okay? And so many options here and someone is confused. Seven of Cups is being here, Six to the Seven of Cups and the Page of Cups. Someone around you or maybe the person that you are connecting with or maybe you, ikaw or taong nasa environment mo or taong connected sa'yo. Collective, there is someone very emotional talking about the past. Very nostalgic. Very nostalgic and very confused at the same time. Okay. Page of Cups, sharing emotion. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung may nag-open up sa'yo. Collective. Or ikaw ang nag-open up on someone about the past, about the relationship in the past, how it goes, kung paano, anong ending, anong beginning. Okay, Collective, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Nine of Water, King Inang yan, puro water. Nine of Water and the Five of Earth. So someone is talking about how parang merong nag-uusap dito ng regarding sa past situation, kung gaano ka in love or kung gaano ka blissful or ka magical yung feeling. Some of the situation nung past situation, you know what I mean? Collective, hindi ko alam kung ikaw to and someone around you or maybe may nagkakausap sa'yo na dati ganito, dati noon, alam mo ba, ganyan, like, you know what I mean. Nine of Water is a wish fulfillment, okay. Dreams and hindi wish fulfillment. Dreams, goals, desire, you know what I mean. But with the Five of Pentacles is being here, hindi ko alam kung finances ang naging problema or merong iniwan. You know what I mean. Merong iniwan, merong nang iwan. Okay. So, with the Six of Earth, yung isa mabait, yung isa giver, yung isa taker. So, meron kang naririnig or either ikaw, tao sa community mo, or tao connected sa'yo, kung sino man to. Hindi ko alam kung sino pinopoint out ko dito. Pero, there is someone here talking about the past. Nagkukwento siya. Okay, nagkukwento siya about the past, about how it goes. Okay, gaano siya ka-in love, gaano yun ka-in love. Yung tapos merong nang iwan, merong naiwan, merong financial problem dito. Tapos kinikwento dito with the Six of Earth. Six of Pentacles kasi to sa akin eh. How generous the person, or gaano ka generous yung, hindi ko alam kung ikaw to, or kinikwento mo na kung gaano ka kabait, or gaano kabait yung partner mo. Basta there is someone talking here. Okay, and then the heartbroken is there with the Three of Air. Okay. Parang feeling ko sinasabi niya ang expectation niya. You know what I mean? Collective. Merong nag-share dito or maybe ikaw ang nag-share. Okay, you're talking about the past relationship. This is definitely a relationship or maybe a family relationship or a friendship relationship. Okay. That the another person is a giver, the another person is taker. Yung isa dito taker, yung isa giver. Okay. So, yes. person is heartbroken. May nang iwan, may iniwan. Yun ang energy dito, collective. High priestess. Okay. Tapos may nagsasabi dito, ramdam ko naman na bago pa mangyari, with high priestess, intuition, may napapansin ka na before pa mangyari. Like, you know what I mean? Yung ganong, may nag-share dito na ang kutob ko, you know what I mean? Ganito kasi ang kutob ko, ganito kasi ang kutob ko. Ay, tingnan natin. Messenger of water, the queen of fire, temptation, oh my god. That's what I'm telling. Sa sa energy wala po tayong gender. So, merong message dito, may emotion siya. The another person is may emotion, the another person is fiery. Like, straight to the point. Yung isa naman with the messenger of water is like, ang dami niyang pasikot-sikot, ang dami niyang sinasabi, like, you know what I mean? And someone here is not a temptation, nagkakaroon ng temptation na mag-reply ng very fiery. Okay. Ang tawag na bawa, nag-share ka rin emotion mo kasi ganito, ganito. Parang pinapaabot mo kung anong gusto mo. Tapos yung isang person na message mo is, siya, parang feeling gustong-gusto niyang mag-reply, natitintasyonan siyang mag-reply. Pero alam niya kung, pag nag-reply siya, alam niya kung anong mangyayari. Okay, with the Queen of Fire. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, may natitintasyon ng mag-reply. Kasi with the messenger of water, may definitely nag-share dito ng tapos the another person is parang scene lang, beach energy. Okay. Pero natitintasyon na rin siya, natitrigger na din siyang mag-reply. You know what I mean? Six of air, travel. Hindi ko alam kung merong temptation dito mag-travel on someone or on somewhere. Okay, or towards you or towards the another person. Collective. Basta yung nakita ko dito, merong travel or moving into calmer water. Gustong pakalmahin ng tubig, gustong pakalmahin or palamigin. Okay. Natitintasyon na. Nine of fire. Okay. Nine of fire, this is nine of wands in the original tarot. Ang Nine of Fire is all about defensive energy. Kung magta-travel ka papunta sa akin or magta-travel ka, wait lang. Sorry. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Kung mag-travel or someone matitintasyonan mag-travel papunta sa'yo, mataas ang boundary mo dito, gumagawa ka ng boundary. Kumbaga bakod or basta self-defense mo. Di self-defense, kundi yung defense mechanism mo, atake. You know what I mean? Kung hindi naman to travel towards you, merong communication dito na gustong ayusin or gustong pakalmahin or basta gustong ayusin. Yun na lang ang term na makakakita ko. Ayusin yung gusot. Okay, and the another person is very defensive. Hindi ko alam kung magpapapasok pa siya or i-accept niya or ikaw, hindi niya alam kung accept mo pa yung apology or i-accept mo pa yung na gusto niyang ayusin, yung gunos. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Eight of Fire, communication, definitely. Kung hindi man travel kasi ang 8 of Wands, communication and action. Okay, depende sa respond mo. Kung nakikita niyang defensive ka, meron kang boundary, mataas ang security mo. So, maybe ito na lang ang paraan ng fire mag-communicate sa'yo through electronics, through mobile, tawag, yun ang kikita ko dito. Okay, kung nagkaroon ka ng dito, depensa, what I mean depensa. Kung nagkaroon ka dito ng mataas ang boundary mo na hindi ka makakonect or siya ang hindi ka ayaw kang I don't know. Either way, okay. Ikaw or person na connected sa'yo or person sa environment mo with the temptation card is being here. Merong natitintasyonan na ayusin ang kung ano man ang naging problema. Pero yung another person is like uh, isang ano na lang, wounded warrior na kasi yung isa eh. So the another person is wounded warrior na siya kaya mataas ang security niya, mataas ang boundary niya. As I said, meron ditong nag ano ng emotion niya tapos the another person is parang sin lang. Pero natitintasyonan na rin siyang mag-reply or natitintasyonan na rin siyang magsalita. Okay, and someone here gustong ayusin kung ano man ang gusot. And someone here is very defensive, mataas ang boundary, mataas ang bakod. Pero there is still communication. Ang ending, may communication pa rin with the 8 of Fire. Okay, collective. Sana naman ay hindi nakaka-confuse. Tingnan natin kung ano ang advice sa'yo. Oh my God. Tingnan natin kung anong advice. Advice for the collective. Tingnan natin kung anong advice kay collective. Advice. Advice kay collective. Leap. So, you go first and the universe will catch you. So, hindi ko alam collective kung saan sa'yo yan mag-fit, kung ano ang ibig sabihin sa'yo niyan. Basta, you need to take a leap of faith on something. Okay? And the universe will catch you. Catch me if you can. I take a fall when I fall in love. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Ano ba to? Council of Light. Divine orchestration. Helpers in the subtle realm. So, ang dami mo palang guide, dito. Spirit guide, collective. Maybe you are an empath or starseed. Di ko alam kung aware kayo sa mga ganyan, pero maybe isa ka sa mga 100, anong tawag dyan? 404,000, 44,000 light workers. Maybe you are a light worker here, collective. Okay, you are divinely guided or your situation is divinely guided or orchestrated. Okay. Divine orchestration helper in the subtle realm. So, if you feel alone, don't think about you feel alone because you are not alone. Hindi ka alone dito. Kung meron mga rejection or merong mga nang iwan, hayaan mo sila kasi it's meant to be. Okay, it's meant to be. Yung mga taong hindi na sa way mo, kailangan nang i-remove. Okay. Everything happens for a reason, walang coincidence. Okay. So, take a break. You need to take a break on something here or basta, you need to take a break. Okay, yun ang advice dito. Ano to? Soul family, call in your tribe. You don't have to do it all alone. Okay. Someone here, parang feeling ko may naghihingi ng counsel dito. Or maybe ikaw ang nanghihingi ng counsel dito. Or maybe ikaw ang counsel dito. Put it that way. Okay, collective. So, bahala ka na kung ano yan para sa'yo. Okay, so, maaaring ikaw yan or someone around you or person that you're connecting with. Okay, nagre-reminisce ng the past, tapos nagko-communicate dito, tapos nagme-message emotionally, yung isa natitintasyon na rin mag-reply, pero ang taas ng boundary, may mataas ang boundary dito. Okay. What is the angel message number? Angel message number for the collective, please. Angel message number. 7, 8, 787. So, 787, Google mo siya, angel message number. Baka po maka-resonate sa situation yung collective. So, yes. Yan lang pong maihahain ko sa inyo. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, alam nyo na pong galawan. Thank you for being here. Collective, thank you for watching and see you on another one.